Hello, everybody. How are you today? What about your long weekend? Could you relax now? It's time to start working again, yes? Today is Tuesday, 18th of August, and today we are going to work with the sound O, as in top, dog, box, log, pot, cup. So here you have some examples. Today you will see we will have some more. Then we have the story of this fish called Angel. The story is, look out, Angel, look out, Angel. Be careful, Angel. So this story takes place in Australia, in the ocean near Australia, okay? We will see what happens. And then we are going to have a dictation in the cat's copybook. Yes? We are going to dictate words with O. Okay? So, are you ready? Great! Let's start by singing the hello song together.